Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Teams and signing in so you can join meetings and access chats immediately. Once installed, sign in with your work, school, or Microsoft account. This links calendars and files. Make sure to grant camera and microphone permissions so calls work. Also set your presence and notification preferences to avoid distractions. These first steps let you receive meeting invites and see team channels without correct permissions and account linkage. Key features like screen share and calendar sync won't function properly. You now navigate the app. Use the left sidebar to jump between activity, chat, Teams, calendar, calls, and files. Once inside a team, open a channel to post messages, reply, and mention colleagues with that to grab attention. For focused work, start a chat or schedule a meeting from calendar. Inviting people adds the meeting to everyone's calendar. When collaborating, upload files in the Files tab or attach them to messages. Teams stores files in SharePoint or OneDrive, so everyone sees the latest version. You handle meetings by joining or starting one, then toggling camera and mic as needed. Use background effects for privacy and screen share to present. Once done, record sessions, enable live captions for accessibility, and manage participants or breakout rooms for smaller discussions. If audio or video fails, first check OS and Teams permissions, then restart the app. If issues persist, update device drivers or the Teams client. These steps usually restore functionality quickly, so your next meeting proceeds without interruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.